The Patola Saree from Patan, Gujarat is considered the king of all weaves. Its hallmark is that it's woven so that the front and reverse are both identical. In this new series, I create projects inspired by traditional textiles and embroideries. The process of making a Patola starts by creating a design on paper first. Individual cotton or silk thread is then tied and dyed first before being woven together to reveal the pattern. For this project, instead of thread, I'm going to use bamboo skewers. I first lay them out, line them up, and tape it down, which will represent my fabric. To create a Patola sari can take several months to make, and there are only a few families that are still skilled in this art form. I go ahead and carefully transfer my design onto the skewers. Next, I spray down the skewers with a little bit of water, which I thought would create more of a tie-dye effect. However, I found this step unnecessary. Using various colors, I started marking off my design on the individual skewers. Next, I separated the skewers and colored each portion all the way around. This was probably the most time-consuming part. And while I was only creating a small portion, I can only imagine the time it takes to create a full-length sari. And while these individual strands would be woven together to create the fabric, here I just had to put the skewers back together again. I secured them once again with tape all across the front, and just like a true Patan Patola, the front and back were identical. A quick trim along the sides and it was ready to frame. Making this little piece truly made me appreciate the expertise and artistry that goes into creating a Patola sari.